Hi everyone, this is Diana from Sweet and Savory, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a healthy orange chicken with less fat, less sodium, less sugar, but with tons of flavor. I'm going to leave you the link for the recipe in the info box below, but you can also find it at sweetysalado.com/en. To make this recipe, we are going to need chicken. I usually use chicken breast, but you can also use chicken thighs. And we're going to marinate it with soy sauce, a little bit of baking soda. This is going to tenderize the meat. We're also going to add garlic for flavor and a little bit of water. We're going to give this a stir, and then we're going to cover it and store it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. To make the sauce, we're going to need orange juice. We're also going to use orange zest, some soy sauce, rice vinegar, hoisin sauce or teriyaki sauce if that's what you have on hand, a little bit of ground ginger, red pepper flakes if you want to make it spicy, brown sugar to add sweetness to the sauce, and cornstarch. This is going to thicken the sauce. We're going to give this a stir, and then we're going to set it aside. To cook the chicken, we're going to heat some oil in a large pan or wok, and then we're going to add lots of garlic. I usually do this over medium-high heat and stir that garlic constantly so that it doesn't burn. Then we're going to add our chicken, and we're going to stir fry this for about 5 to 8 minutes or until it's golden brown. Now we're going to add the orange sauce, and what I do is I keep stirring it frequently as I'm adding it so that I can get all of that cornstarch in the pan. We're going to lower the heat and simmer this for about 3 to 5 minutes or until the sauce thickens, and that's pretty much it. All you need to do is just sprinkle it with some sesame seeds or some green onion when you serve it. And that's your recipe for making a delicious, healthy orange chicken. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow me on social media. And if you want to check out more delicious recipes, you can visit sweetysalado.com/en.